AVGO stock analysis price predictions for Monday. Is Broadcom stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1 minute video. Now, here's the thing. It's a beautiful bullish market, and all I'm certainly looking to do is just double down, buy more. Now, I'll show you exactly how, but I'll also show you the proof that I'm actually telling you what I've done. I'm walking the talk. This is 4 months ago on April Fool's Day. It was 166 bucks. I was aiming to 250, right? And we delivered very nicely because we were like $90. And then I had like another one and another one here lately. And guess who's here still ready to buy more? Well, that's me. And it's not going to be like that I'm randomly going to start buying, but if the price does pull down a bit and does give me that shift here, then and only then I'm buying. Other than that, everything else is just rather noise, right? And all I'm doing certainly in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. So let me know what is your opinion. Stay tuned, and if you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I will be seeing you in the next one. So goodbye and enjoy.